just landed in the the Dubai airport. Boarding starts now actually at 8:55. I literally looked online just out of curiosity to see how long this flight was. I'm thinking like, oh, it's like 3 or 4 hours. Why is it 6? I guess I'll get some more sleep. I am backed up on sleep from like graduation and stuff.
Look, once upon a time and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck. I said my face bomb, ass tight, rack stuck up shack height, jury on me flashlight. I've been listening last.
I cannot find my phone and look at my hair, but I'm about to get something to eat, so don't worry. It's nighttime here, but I slept the whole way, so I'm still like up and ready to go.
Shrimp fried rice, spicy.
If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party.
Close your eyes and walk through this visualization.
I really want some ramen. Hope I get some. It's day like 2 or 3. I don't really know. But it's like 7 in the morning. We're going to the floating market. I actually need to get some cash. Do you guys have an ATM here? We got this smoothie, pineapple, mango. So good. We're here. We're about to do a tiger feeding. I don't know. No drugs, no chain. I don't know. We gotta see.
Ringtones. Oh, you ain't trained on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, that ain't.
I don't know what this says, but they got pictures. Perfect. I know.
I'm like a squirrel. Hey, you sitting there, girls. Hey, you want Rolls Royce car. Hey, you want Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to go loud, oh, you want to line loud.
My sister, she had a baby. So I gotta take care of the baby. And I do extra shifts at the warehouse. This lemon iced tea. I like this. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I'm now in Phuket. I slept all day. My jet was lagging, but now my jet is fixed. Hey everybody, I'm just getting to the marina. I'm looking for no man. Second to last day. You know what I got for breakfast? I'm sweating. It's hot, but she about it. She knows she a 10. It's already on. So hot. My mom was scared to go. Go turn this way. My mom was scared to go in the water.
Too slippery. Rock's too slippery.
I can't remember which camera I told, but the makeup had to come off. I just finished snorkeling, and as a Pisces, I'm at peace. 안녕하세요.
We're gonna test the theory.
When I found you on the ground, you were driving. Know you brought me to my yard uninvited. When you see me on the edge.
If you can't tell, I've been swimming. It's pretty dark, but today wasn't actually my last day. Tomorrow is, so that was a pleasant surprise. My edges are telling on me, but I'm just here journaling, or I'm about to journal. This place had some really nice pins, so I got like 4 of them from my room. And I'm just gonna sit and reflect.
But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were driving. Know you call me to my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm an artist.